my topic is sustainability. Natural conservation and energy in our daily life. We are suffering from so many problems like air pollution, decreasing of natural resources, plastic waste, polluted water and many more, but majority people are not aware about this. All things. I will try to say you how to preserve nature, decrease pollution and also others in this short video. First one is air pollution, which is major problem in our life. Bet we have solution like to use electric vehicles that are charged by solar energy. Also a house with solar panel is slightly good. Use of windmill and solar panels instead of nuclear power plant which produces so much of air pollution. Don't use crackers which will produce high air pollution. Reduction of plastic bags. Instead of plastic bags we can buy cloth bag or paper bag. But the biggest problems are covers which are the outer case of chips, biscuits, chocolates. They are made up of polyethylene which is plastic, so it's not only plastic bags but also covers we have to throw in dry dustbin after using. Save water. After using water, see whether you have tightly closed the tap or not. Drink clean boiled water. It's good for health. Don't cut young trees to make furnitures, land. But you can cut old trees and plant new trees. Plant at least 2 plants outside of your house. War is one of the most damaging to our motherland. We have to save our nature for development of our nation and also for our next generation. All of this human development produces pollution. Waterways are polluted with runoff from manufacturing facilities, factory farms, and the gas and oil that collects on roadways. Mining practices discard unusable heavy metals and minerals into groundwater sources. Air is polluted by the fumes from traffic and burning fossil fuels. Pesticides sprayed onto crops inadvertently kills other plant species. Garbage and littering fills the land with non-biodegradable plastics that can be consumed by animals both on land and in sea. All of these reasons and more explain why pollution is directly responsible for the loss of 4% of wildlife biodiversity. But, indirectly, it is responsible for more deaths because it causes global climate change. All of those greenhouse gases released into the air not only have a direct impact on the quality of air and water, but they go on to trap solar radiation which leads to increased global temperatures.